Even if I could somehow go back in time and advise you on how to live your life to this point, you'd be too captivated by the class guinea pig to hear anything I had to say.
From the friends and best friends that I made over the past year, who have made my experience here so enjoyable and memorable, to the teachers and administrators who have taken interest in me and have done their best to not only help me reach my academic potential, but also have helped me discover my true self and passions. You have made my past year here at SCH one of the most, if not the most, fulfilling school experiences I've ever had.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
So we have a new tradition to take forward with us as SCH Academy. Go Devils! Have a great year!